A couple of months ago, I was invited to participate in a podcast for Investment Executive Magazine. It was my pleasure to do so. And I've had a few things come up in the past couple of weeks that have caused me to reflect upon what was said and how it was interpreted. I was interviewed by Kevin Press, who is the Investment Executive Magazine. And Kevin and I covered a number of different topics, one of which was the war which is going on currently between the United States, Israel, and Iran. He asked me on, I believe it was May 5th, whether or not I thought the war would continue. And I weighed in that I thought it was. In the past couple of weeks, he and others have been giving me props for having called it. I don't know what to say. There was absolutely no intent on my part to make what I said anything that might be called a forecast. So allow me to clarify what I meant, because I frequently end up being misunderstood. My view is that you can't trust anything Donald Trump says. And if Donald Trump says we're in a point where we have a ceasefire and the war has ended and it's all sweetness and light going forward, all I can say is if you believe that, I've got a Gordie Howe bridge to sell you. Anything that Donald Trump says can and frequently is changed. He offers his opinion days or weeks down the road. So the point that all of this is to say, please do not give me credit for having forecast that the war would not end. It was not intended as a geopolitical forecast with regard to the way things would play out, but rather a comment on the naivete of people who believe what Donald Trump is just because he simply said it. It's important that you think about things. When you talk about making better wealth decisions, you need to not only think about what you hear, but ask yourself critically, should I take this at face value? Or should I reflect upon where the source is, whether that source has credibility, whether things might change down the road? Making better wealth decisions requires not only doing your research in terms of looking at what is right and what is wrong, but also considering who's doing the talking, what their motives are, and what their credibility is. My point to you in all of this is be careful. Don't believe everything you hear in general, and least of all from Donald Trump, and be careful out there. Make your decisions wisely. If you're worried about the current investment climate and your money, go to my website to book a call for personalized advice to assist you in feeling secure and protected about your retirement.